Hi. Let's open this box. It's iPhone 251. Yep. See, 256 GB. This is original from Apple Store and machine. It's original, and then so let's open. Yeah. Yeah, grabbing this thing. Okay, actually the phone is sorry out. This is the machine. So this is the box of iPhone 11 Pro Max. So this is the warranty card. It's from hello, okay, hello card, hello, and then this is a CME Jet 2. This is sticker. This is CME Jet 2. This is manual book from iPhone. This is the earbud. This is earphone. Yeah, the earphone. So this is the box. So this is the gate. 256. This is it. So this is the box. This is the box. So this is this renewal book. See. This book. Powerful. Welcome to iPhone. Okay, so thank you for watching. I hope you really enjoy my first video. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.